I want to fly out all the brothers in the whole country. No, cancel that. From the whole world to Cathedral.
Yeah.
I have them all standing on the field and spelling out Cathedral.
Get the founders of Cathedral and bring them back to show them how great we are. Students linking arms around school to surround it. So like we zoom in on one, then we zoom out.
Yeah. See, but I do wish we had footage of all the dabs and hugs. Like I wish we had a time lapse in front of the school, so you could just over the year, just like we just had like a quick like 10-second video of all the dabs.
All of us just shaking.
Everybody's shaking.
That's a lot of germs.
It's a lot of germs.
Is it a moment? Is it a person? Is it an event?
But we're picking up energy places, and Lake's talking about the brotherhood. Like, where's the magic from then? What's creating this? Why is it here? It doesn't happen by accident. That's what we're trying to figure out. Where does it come from?
I think it's not just, like he said, just like a person or a group of people. It's by events that shaped how we change ourselves here.
I feel like this is like a sanctuary for new kids coming in with a bunch of strangers they may not know, and they're kind of nervous and scared. I feel like this is a place where you get a chance to meet new people and kind of take them in as your family.
I think it's like we all want to see each other prosper.
What's special about Cathedral is that no matter who you are, what race, what religion, or what gender you are, people always accept you here. They'll make you feel better, make you feel like home, where I could be myself. I could learn what is my purpose.
In all honesty, I didn't want to come to Cathedral at first. Now I'm here and I don't ever want to leave, because this school made me realize like who I am, how close you can get to your teachers, how teachers actually could care about you.
What's the fruit of your education here?
I guess another thing Cathedral's great about is just finding your potential, your true potential.
I think that's the end goal of quality education, just finding what you truly believe you're interested in and you're passionate about.
And seeing how it connects to the world.
My last 2 years in religion have really taught me not to just think in black and white like I've always been taught. Mr. Kasanik and Mr. Kim's class taught me how to expand, and there's not always a like this is good and that's bad. It depends on your perspective, who you are, where you come from, and just the situation at hand.
Is the purpose of Cathedral High School just to make sure you pass your classes so you could move on from here? Or do we recognize that we need to contribute here too? I really found a sense of purpose of what really I was doing for my community. These Lasallian core principles, they stem from each other.
Like 20% of the world's using like 75% of the world's resources. Like, there's gotta be a way to change that.
Create a project, extraction to disposal, type of conditions they're going under, how much they're getting paid. I started doing a lot more research on it.
Plan out, protest, spreading information to everyone so that everyone knows what's going on.
That's why I stay close to school, because I think the answers are here, and I think the answers are between all of us. But it's hard, and you can't do it alone, because if you face that alone, I think it's the scariest thing in the world. And I can easily make up excuses for myself when I'm alone. I can't do it when I'm with a bunch of incredible individuals that will hold me accountable.
We have the feeling we're meeting the unbeatable.
Respect for all people that come from having an inclusive community, that also come from having concern for the poor, that also come from having faith in the presence of God.
Where everyone's always there for you, asking how are you, always checking up on you. It's special. Like
Dr. Humphreys, she'll literally be your second mom. She'll be there, you know.
of the reasons why I love Cathedral. Like Cathedral, like you can be whoever you are, and they'll still like love you for it, and they'll like help you. And it helped me, to be honest.
Every single day we pray, let us remember that we're in the holy presence of God. Every single day, every single class.
Stuff we say every day that we don't like truly believe, like we should like start, you know, like thinking about that. That's what Cathedral taught me.
Like the prayer and the masses and retreats, it just makes me not only here, but it makes me feel like out of school. It makes me want to be a better person.
Like, whereas Imagine Film is like, I believe, it's because I believe it. I think it does stem from us recognizing each other. Where we see each other and we try to see each other, and it's not just like staring through each other. And I don't know where it comes from at the school. Maybe it comes from the brothers, maybe because we have to intentionally say it every day, and so it's like we're reminded, but...
I guess I'm Magic Man.
You're good.
Dedicate yourself to something that you really love, and Cathedral is something I really do love, with everyone that's here, the teachers, students, everyone.
As a student at Cathedral, I did the LYA LSL trip 3 or 4 years in a row. And as a college person, I was a collegian on this trip for 3 years in a row, both LYA and LSL. So why did I come back to Cathedral? Because it's my mission to serve others. Because my high school taught me that service to others is the highest form of
Place people call home.